In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the passwords to all the Wi-Fi networks that you've logged into in the past. This should work with most Samsung smartphones. Have your phone on the home screen, grab from the top and then pull down. And then you're going to see this Wi-Fi symbol up in the top left corner. Press and hold this here and this next screen will come up. Then whatever current Wi-Fi network you are on, tap on it. And on this screen, it's going to show the current Wi-Fi networks and then the available Wi-Fi networks. And if you want to see the current Wi-Fi password for the network you're on, click on my video here and it'll show you. And if you want to see the Wi-Fi passwords for all the networks that you've been on in the past, and please hit the subscribe button, continue watching and I will show you. So on this screen, you're going to see the 3 setting dots up in the right hand corner. You're going to tap on this and then you're going to tap on advanced settings. And then this screen will come up and what you're going to do is tap on manage networks. And then on this screen, you're going to see the Wi-Fi networks. You're going to see the one that you're currently on up on top. You can click on that and then you can see the password for the one you're on, or you can click on any other one and see the password for it. In this case, we're going to click on the star link on the bottom and then this final page will come up and all you have to do is click on the eyeball with the slash through it and then the dots will turn into your password and you'll be able to see what it is. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.